In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a reference photo in FireAlpaca. Now to do this, you want to go to the top where it says window, click on it, and then over here it says reference. So you want to go and click on it so it gets a check mark, and as you can see, it's going to pop a reference over here towards the right. Now by default, it's super small, so you have two options. You could either go just above where it says reference, and you want to click and drag when this icon appears to actually make it bigger like this, or you could pop it out the way I'm going to show you in a second, but let's first add a reference. So to add it, you want to click on this button over here, which is like a import button. So click on that and click on import from file. If you have anything copied, you could also use the import from a clipboard option. And I'm going to go over here, and then I'm going to go to downloads, and inside my downloads folder, you can see here I have a few images. I'm going to pick this one and click on open. There we go. This is now a reference. I can leave it over here, or I could go and click over here on this button to pop it out, and then this is going to allow me to basically put it wherever I want on my screen. I could also fit it anywhere where it's possible over here inside FireAlpaca, as you can see, or I can just leave it up here. So I'm going to put it here in the top right like this, and then you can also resize it like you can normally, and if you go in this window, you can zoom in, zoom out using your mouse wheel. You can go and rotate it, you can go and go back to basic, plus, minus, etc. Okay, so that's how to add a reference photo. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.